Hi students, welcome to Python Programming Lab course. I am Dr. K. Varada Rajkumar, Associate Professor, Department of CSC, AIML, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. In our previous class, we learned about how to read the data from the keyboard and how to print output onto the monitor. So, in this session, we will see the 4 basic Python programs. These programs will helpful in solving some coding problems. Overview of the session. In this session, we are going to see 4 programs, fundamental programs, so basic programs. So first program related to perform arithmetic operations. So how we perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, so floor division and modulus in Python. You will see this program first. So after that, we are going to write another program that related to find area of the circle. Circle area calculation. This will accept the radius as an input and we are going to compute the area. So third program related to print Python version. So display the version is what you are using in your computer. So program 4 related to number computations. We are going to read one number, accept a number and compute its n plus nn plus nnn and we are going to print the sum of the n here. Okay. So now outcome of this lecture, at the end of this session, you all are going to write and execute by basic Python programs and perform arithmetic operations and calculate the area of circle and check Python version. You are going to write some basic Python programs and you all are understand the fundamental concepts like how to read the data from the keyboard, how to write output onto the monitor and how to use different operators and type conversion. These programs will helpful in building a strong foundation for more advanced topics. So this is the outcome of this session. So this is the first program in our Python programming lab. The purpose of the program is perform different arithmetic operations on numbers in Python. Okay, already in our previous class, we discussed that whatever you are reading from the keyboard, that is in the string format. So for example, here I want to perform arithmetic operations on numbers. So if I give input like this, 10, 3. So 10 is assigned to variable A, 3 is assigned to variable B. Now I want to perform addition, that is a mathematical operation. So I want to convert this 10 into integer. So I am using int function here. Now this int function will convert this 10 into number format and assign to a variable A. Similarly 3 also. Now here the program is for arithmetic operations. So perform A plus B, A minus B, A into B, A slash B. But coming to A slash B. So this we are going to use to find integer division. So for example, here I am dividing 10 by 3. The output is 3.3333 like this. But I want only this integer part. Then I am going to use integer division by using the double slash operator. Okay. And another arithmetic operator is percentage. So this is very important operator. In many coding problems, we are going to use this modulus operator. Now, this modulus operator, percentage symbol, we are going to use to find the remainder. Okay, in this case, 10 by 3 will get the remainder 1 here. Okay, so this is about the how you are going to use the arithmetic operators in Python. So coming to program 2, so this is the program which accepts the radius. Okay, that means we are going to read the data value that represents the radius. of a circle, and you are going to compute the area of the circle. The formula is pi r square. We are going to read the value of r. Okay, so now this r is string, so we convert this string into float. Okay, so to read the value, we use input function. Now we enter some value, for example 3.8. Now this 3.8 is in a string format, so I want to convert this 3.8 into float. So here I use the float as a function. Now that is assigned to r. Now what is the area formula? Pi r square. So pi means 3.14 into r, that means r square. And finally you are going to print the area. Okay, the area is stored in the variable area, so I print area here. So coming to program 3, the purpose of the program is we are going to print what is the Python version you are using in your laptop. So write a Python program to get the Python version you are using. Now in Python there is a module called SYS. So this SYS means system information, system parameters. I want to know the version of the Python. So here write SYS dot version. Now the Python version number is assigned to this variable PV. Now print PV. Otherwise you can directly write like this also, print SYS dot version. So this is also correct. Okay, by using this instruction we print the current version of Python what you are using in your computer. So coming to program 4, so for example I read a n value from the keyboard. Now I want to compute that what is the value of n plus n into n plus n into n into n. I want to compute this value. I read the n value from the keyboard. What is the function we use to read the value? Input. Here I am not mentioning any message here. Why? Because in many coding problems they are not mentioning any message here. Okay, they directly read the data. So now input function, for example if I enter 5, now 5 is in string format. So by using this int function I convert this string into number. So n equals to 5. Now I want to compute this n plus n square plus n cube. So here I wrote print n plus n into n plus n into n into n. So this is the program 1 to perform arithmetic operation. So let us execute the program. Now enter first number. I am going to enter 10. Second number is 3. Now addition equals to 13, subtraction equals to 7, multiplication equals to 30. So division equals to 3.3335. Now I want only floor division. Then I am going to use double slash there, and modulus operator returns the remainder. So this is the program to find area of the circle. Input is radius, so I am entering 3.8 as the input. Now area of the circle is 45.3416. So let us execute program 3. Purpose of the program 3 is to print the current version what we are using in our computer. So this is the current version we are using, 3.131. So program 4 execution. Here the cursor is waiting to read the data value. If I enter 5, it displays, so 5 plus 5 square plus 5 cube, that is 155. So coming to summary of the session. In this session we discussed about 4 programs, the basic programs. So these basic concepts we are going to use in further classes. So first program related to how to use these arithmetic operators. Next we discussed about the calculate the area of circle. Here we are going to use one formula, pi r square. And third program regarding to print the Python version, system parameter. We get the system parameters with the help of SYS module. And finally, we see one program that related to compute the number pattern, so n+nn+nnn. So these the basic programs what you learn. So that knowledge we are going to use to solve many coding problems. So next class we are going to see week 2 programs. Thank you.